So today we are making my ultimate favorite recipe, clam dip. Stay tuned. Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here because today I am going to show you the easiest, most fun recipe to take up camping. Actually, it's good for camping, it's good for barbecues, or it's good for any party. You know, I'm known to take this to all of our family gatherings. In fact, it's kind of been known as Holly's Clam Dip. So I can't wait to share it with you. If we haven't met yet, we are Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. And so whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So let's get started. I'm so excited. This recipe is so easy and it's for sure going to be a hit with everyone. You just need some chips, and I like to use either the wavy lays or the ruffles, something with ridges, so more of a heartier chip. You need a couple bars of cream cheese, a tub of cream cheese with chives, and then a couple cans of clams. And you want to make sure that they're the minced clams. And then just for a little bit of a twist, we're going to add some green onions on top. So let's get started. I put the cream cheese in and I've let it soften a little bit. So if you're up camping and you don't have power to use like a mixer, you can do it by hand, and that's one of the magic parts of this. Now we're going to add our minced clams, and you do want to add the juice with it. Now you can use the chopped clams, but I have found that the pieces are just a little bit too big, so I like to use the minced clams. So once again, we've got the 2 bars of cream cheese, we've got the container of cream cheese with chives, and then 2 cans of minced clams. And so today we are just going to be using a little bit of elbow grease and mixing it by hand. Okay, one of my favorite tips that I like to give our viewers, especially when I'm making camping cooking videos, is the more prep work you can do at home before you actually leave to go camping, the easier it makes everything. And so with this dip, yeah, you can make it while you're up camping, and that's the beauty of it. But if you can think ahead and get it all mixed and ready before you go, you can not only use your electric mixer, but you can put it in the fridge and get a nice chill on it. And I think it tastes a little bit better when it's nice and chilled. And now, just for a little bit of a flavor boost, I like to add some fresh green onions. I think it just gives it just the little whip that it needs. So we're gonna clip up some green onions. Of course, I love onions, so. Okay, we're gonna cut up some green onions. And like I say, this is optional. I like the look of the color and then the little flavor boost that it gives. Mix that up real good. Okay, we're gonna pour it into our bowl here. I think I'll just add a little bit of fresh green onions on top for color. Now is the test. Got our chips. Look at that dip. It's just nice and thick and yummy. Oh, perfect. So, doesn't that look good? And it tastes even better. I hope you like this quick, fast, easy recipe. So if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Oh, and hit the bell in the corner. That will notify you when we put out other camping videos. Also, we have a new Facebook group called Adventures Campfire Connection. Go ahead and check it out. We would love for you to join. So, until next time, I'll see you on the next adventure.